Okay, welcome back. I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to cook up a whole chicken here on the Louisiana Grill. Let's get started. You can see I got like charcoal left from my last burn. What I did when I was done cooking is shut the lower damper and the damper on top and just let this go up. Stir this up a bit, add some fresh charcoal, light it up, and get it going. Okay, I'm going to set the grill grates back in. Like that. Okay, I'm going to leave the bottom here wide open. Leave the lid up till this all catches. Okay, you can see the newspaper burned down there. All the smoke's pretty much gone away. So what I'm going to do is close this up. I'm going to go to maybe 2 rows of holes here showing. I'm going to close the lid, and then at the top here I'm just going to open this to around number 1. Okay, now that I got that set, I'm going to watch the temperature, probably come around 300, just over 300. You'll see right now there's smoke coming out the dome here. What I want to do is wait till all that smoke disappears and I got a good temperature. Then I know it's ready to put the chicken on. Okay, it's been about a half hour or so since I lit the coals. We're just about almost 300 degrees right now. You can see there's hardly any smoke coming out of the dome. That's how you know it's ready. Got my whole chicken here. I got a stand, put the chicken on. And what I did, I mixed up some butter and some salt and pepper. And once I get the chicken on, I'll spread that on. You can see the cavity here between the legs. I'll just fit that over the stand without dropping the chicken. There we go. I'd say that little guy's ready to go. Ready, buddy? Get our guy on there. What I'd like to do is slip an old drip tray under here. We'll take our butter, salt and pepper, start at the top and work our way down. Make sure you get the little guy's armpits. Pour the rest down inside on top. Something like that. Okay, close the lid. Now I'll wait till the interior temperature of that chicken is around 165 or so, then we'll check it, see how it is. So my thermometer here, I just plugged in. It's going to tell me when the internal temperature is, and I can set it to 165. And it's going to give me a little alarm when it reaches that. The warmest day of the year so far. And when this is done, we'll check back with you. Okay, our thermometer is going off here, so we'll check this, see if it's done. I should point out before I open the lid here, you know, we're about almost 350 degrees here. I still got the dampers set the way they are, but you can see there's like no smoke coming out here. It's like, it's a game changer, this barbecue. So let's open it up, see what we got. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna double check the temperatures here. Okay, hitting the leg, I'm like 197, 200. Yeah, other breast, like 180. This thing's ready to come off. Oh yeah, look at that. I love when the chicken wings get nice and crispy like that. So you see I got the drip pan there. It kind of prevents some of that flare up when the drippings hit the thing. When the drippings hit the charcoal. Oh yeah, that's just beautiful. Let me get my flippers here. I'm gonna pull our drip tray out of here. Set that down. Pull our thermometer out. Okay, grab this. Put that down like that. Okay, just gonna wrap this, let this rest for about 20 minutes or so. We'll be back. I'm done my cook, the chicken's resting there. What I'm gonna do is close this right up. And then on the bottom here, close the damper right off. Then whatever charcoal's left in there, the fire will die out. It'll still be in there for our next cook. Okay, we had this chicken resting here for a bit, so let's take it out, see what we got. Okay, I always start off by cutting the leg off here. Okay, and we get the wing here. There. Go, you see a nice crispy chicken wing here. Legs all there. That. Let me take a little more off, see what we got. Let's try the leg here. You can see the meat just falls off the bone there. That's what I want to see. I guess we went a little over on our cook, but on our temperatures. But I do like the skin a little bit crispy, and that's what we got here. The chicken breast, a little bit drier than what I'm used to doing it, but this is a new barbecue and it's a bit of a learning curve. But let's give it a try. Mmm. Okay, it's got some great flavor. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, my favorite part, these wingtips. Mmm. Mmm. Nice and crispy, how I like it. Mmm. So it just falls off the. Mmm. The meat just falls off the bone. Wow. It's got a little bit of that smoked flavor, just delicious. I hope this helps you if you're thinking of cooking up a whole chicken on here. I think altogether it took me maybe with a couple hours from the time of lighting to letting it rest, maybe a little bit longer than that. I wasn't really watching the clock, but next time I will. But yeah, if you enjoyed this little cook here, you want to see some more, click the like button, subscribe, and we'll see what else I cook up.